Gusto bang malaman yung mga pabangong ginagamit ng mga artista? If your answer is yes, in this video, alamin natin yung mga perfumes na ginagamit ng mga paborito niyong mga artista. These perfumes ay yung mga perfumes na sinabi nila sa isang interview or maybe sa isang post para sa inyo na mga naghahanap ng mga fragrance suggestions, both men and women. Why don't you take fragrance suggestions from your favorite celebrities? In this list, you're gonna see 5 male and 5 female artistas or celebrities in the Philippines and the perfumes that they use. If that sounds interesting, let's start this video. By the way, if you're new to my channel, my name is Greg and I do videos about men's fashion, men's grooming, and fragrance reviews. So if interested ka sa mga bagay na yan, consider subscribing to my channel. I also post the same things on my Instagram. You can also follow me there. Ladies first, okay? 5 female celebrities and the perfumes that they use. Let's start off with Gabbi Garcia, and she's using Elizabeth Arden green tea. This one is an uplifting, fresh green tea, but in the most freshest way, alongside with some citrus, which makes it brighter and cleaner. So guys, it seems that Gabbi Garcia is not into heavy or sweet fragrances. Gusto niya siguro yung mga neutral fragrances lang, like this one. If naghahanap ka ng fragrance na ayaw mo ng matatamis, ayaw mo ng matatapang, ayaw mo ng mga aggressive fragrances, you can try this Elizabeth Arden green tea. Dami naman nag-o-offer nito sa online, and the price of this one is not that expensive. So if you're a girl and hindi ka into fragrance but you just like to smell good, you can try this one. This is simple, bright, fresh. So that's Elizabeth Arden, used by Gabbi Garcia. The next celebrity is one of the most famous cosplayer in the Philippines and also a vlogger. Alam nyo na, Alodia Gosiengfiao. And nalaman natin that she's using perfume from Victoria's Secret, one of the best-selling fragrance from the line of Victoria's Secret, and that is Bombshell. So mukhang mas gusto ni Alodia yung very youthful, very pang-teenager na matatamis na mga perfumes. Kasi obviously Bombshell, sobrang tamis niya talaga. Para talaga siyang literal na candy or parang cotton candy. That's how it smells. I can imagine a pink, sugary candy or cotton candy, alam mo yun. That's how it smells. I'm sure you girls know how it smells. I mean, at least once in your life, I know na-try nyo na tong Bombshell, okay? So yun guys, as per Alodia, she likes Victoria's Secret Bombshell. Next artista, isa sa mga sikat na sexy model sa Philippines and artista, and that is Pinto. And she's using Britney Spears Fantasy. Feeling ko fit naman sa kanya to because this one is a very playful type of scent. Very young. If you're a teenager, this one bagay na bagay sa itong pabangong to. But if you're like in your 20s, it's okay. If you want to smell young and you feel young, this one is a gourmand type of scent, meaning it smells edible, parang amoy pagkain or amoy beverage, ganyan. This one smells like candy. But unlike the Bombshell, this one is a bit balanced sweetness. Unlike yung Bombshell kanina ni Alodia, medyo masyadong matamis yun alam mo yun. But this one mixed with the powdery scent, so which makes it very sexy actually. So I see why Pinto uses this one, because this one is very playful, very youthful, and very sexy. Fit naman sa character niya as a sexy model sa Pilipinas. And girls, this is an affordable fragrance. I think you can get this one from more or less 3,000 pesos, maybe lower. So yun guys, ang ginagamit ni Pinto is Britney Spears Fantasy. Next artista sa list natin is Pia Wurtzbach, and she's using Dior Hypnotic Poison. My goodness, this is sexy. This one is a powdery, cherry, woody type of scent from Dior. This is the mature version of Poison Girl, which is also sexy but for the younger ones. But this one, itong perfume na to ay bagay sa mga nasa around 30 to 35 years old na babae, which is very confident, independent, successful, attractive woman. Okay? This, girls, is one of my favorite fragrances for women of all time. I cannot emphasize how sexy this fragrance is on a woman. This perfume, for me, perfectly fits Pia Wurtzbach as who she is right now. It seems that her taste is good. She knows that this perfume fits her, you know, a successful, independent, very attractive and sexy woman in the name of Pia Wurtzbach. So, sobrang sexy nitong fragrance na to if you know how to wear it. It's not for the teenagers, it's for the successful, independent, super attractive woman. If you think those traits suits you, make sure to check out Dior Hypnotic Poison. Our last female artista is also, just like Pia Wurtzbach, is a female model and part din ng mga pageant, and that is Kylie Verzosa. And girls, dalawa yung sinabi niyang fragrance niya dito. First one is from the line of Miss Dior, and that is Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. Second one is from the house of Tom Ford, that is fucking fabulous. Yeah, yun talaga yung pangalan niya. Let's start off with Blooming Bouquet. The line of Miss Dior is, this is more modern kasi medyo outdated na yung amoy ng mga J'adore line, though it's still classic, but this line of Miss Dior suits for the modern women. It suits for the millennials. Alam mo yun? Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet smells floral, fresh. Marami na kasing floral, fresh na fragrance, okay? But this one is at the high level. The quality of the juice is very much worth it for its price. This is around 6,000, I think. So medyo may kamahalan siya. But if you have the means, this smells so good. When I go to Dior store to check some Dior fragrances para sa mga lalaki, I always go to Miss Dior and, you know, aamoy lang ako ng Blooming Bouquet. Of all the new line ng Miss Dior, that's actually my personal favorite. That one is elegant, very youthful, very fresh, and very attractive scent. Girls, definitely check Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet, and I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. So I see that maybe kung gusto ni Kylie na mag-amoy fresh and magpabebe ng konti, she would likely reach for Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet kasi that's how it smells. But okay, for the second perfume na sinabi ni Kylie, which is Tom Ford fucking fabulous, this one is a bit mature. Okay, this is a bit like a woman wearing a dark dress. Alam mo yun? If you want to smell like a strong woman, independent, attractive woman, this is what you should wear. And knowing that Kylie uses this fragrance makes me think na marunong siya when it comes to perfumes, because bihira lang gumagamit ng Tom Ford because unang-una, it's expensive. Pangalawa, the line of their fragrances, especially the F Fabulous, belongs to the Tom Ford private blend. So it's not really meant to impress you. All of their fragrances in that private blend collection is a very creative and also nasa pinakamahal na perfume lines of Tom Ford. 50 ml of F Fabulous is worth 11,000, almost 12, I think. If you smell this one, girls, I know sabihin sa sarili nyo na hindi ko pa ito naamoy. This is a very unique, strong, woody, a bit parang may cherry vanilla in it. The vanilla in here is also dominant. By the way, fucking fabulous is a unisex perfume. Okay, you should wear this with confidence because this fragrance may not be your cup of tea. So kung magugustuhan mo siya, masasabi mo sa sarili mo na I am fabulous. Okay, so those are the 5 female artistas and the perfumes that they used. Let's now go to the male artistas. First artista on this list is Cuenca, the boyfriend of Kylie. Okay, he also uses 2 fragrances. First is CK Summer. Although I own 1 CK fragrance, pero I'm not a fan of CK. I don't know how it smells, but from the name itself, as per Cuenca, ito yung ginagamit niya sa umaga. Some of the notes of CK Summer is lemon, melon, peach, and freesia. Obviously, this is made for the summer. That's why all of the notes in here are very fruity, fresh, citrusy vibe, okay? And sa gabi, iba rin daw yung ginagamit niya, and he's using Gucci Guilty Black. I haven't smelled Gucci Guilty Black, but these are the notes. It has green notes, so this smells fresh with lavender, which makes it a bit more aromatic. Meron din siyang orange blossom and coriander, with base notes of cedarwood and patchouli. If meron sa inyong idol si Cuenca, try these fragrances. So there you go. Next artista we have is Prats. He's using Curve by Men. As per Fragrantica, it smells aromatic, woody, fresh, spicy, citrusy, and a bit powdery sweet. I haven't smelled this one, hindi pa nga ako nakakita ng bote, to be honest. So hindi ko alam how it smells, but some of the notes are pineapple, lavender, lemon, musk, cactus, bergamot, sandalwood, pepper, and amber. Anyone who's using Curve, if you're using Curve, let me know in the comment section how it smells for you. And also CK Summer, the Gucci Guilty Black, if you know how it smells, let me know in the comment section. Next male artista we have is isa sa mga naging controversial na artista, that is Gerald Anderson. Gerald Anderson said he's using Jean Paul Gaultier Limal. And I understand why this one is a sexy fragrance, fresh, aromatic, vanilla-based with mint, which makes it very attractive, a classic, timeless perfume. This one is best kapag naglinger na siya sa hangin, pag sa kamay mo baka hindi mo magustuhan because of the heaviness of the vanilla. Pag naamoy mo na siya, nasuot ng isang tao, definitely you will like it. So I can see why he's using this one. Pero bahala mag-judge kung bakit niya ginagamit ito. Obviously, he wants to attract women. And if you do, make sure to check out Jean Paul Gaultier because this is a timeless, classic, classy perfume for men. We're down to our second to the last artista. This person is a royalty and he is Daniel Padilla. And Daniel Padilla is using L'Homme Éclat d'Arpeggiata. And the first time I smelled it, I know I smelled it somewhere else. It's a type of scent that is fresh but easy to be forgotten, in my opinion. Okay? Sobrang bango niya, sobrang madali siyang magustuhan. But to me, in my honest opinion, there's nothing special in this fragrance, but it's very pleasant. Even if you blind buy that fragrance, hindi ka magkakamali, hindi ka magsisisi because it smells really good. The reason why I'm not considering it in my collection is because when I tried it, I'm not sure if it performs really well. It seems like it's not. It's a subtle fragrance for men that is easy to be liked. Okay, siguro yun lang talaga yung gusto niya. Siguro medyo low-key si Daniel Padilla when it comes to wearing a perfume. Some of the notes here are violet leaves, which are very dominant sa perfume na to. That's why it's very, very pleasing, very pleasant to the nose. It also has mandarin orange, which is one of my favorite fragrance notes. It has bergamot, it has lime, it's musky. From the notes, madali siyang magustuhan talaga. But when it comes to uniqueness, you know, it's a kind of fragrance na madali kang makakalimutan, alam mo yun. So, yun lang for me in my honest opinion. But, the fragrance is good. The scent itself, it's good. I still say na okay pa rin yung choice ng perfume ni Daniel Padilla. So guys, if you want to smell like Daniel Padilla, check L'Homme Éclat d'Arpeggiata per Homme. Hindi ka magkakamali. Hindi ka magsisisi when you choose that fragrance. Hindi rin siya kamahalan. It's around 3,000 in the mall. Last but not the least, okay? Sabi niya, lalaki na raw siya. Kaya sinama ko siya dito sa list na to ng mga male celebrities because, you know, we give respect to this. Idol ko to when it comes to singing. She changed his gender and now I believe is a man, and that is Zyrus. And as per Zyrus, he is using La Nuit de l'Homme by YSL. I also have a decant of it which is paubos na. And this one is a very attractive, sparkling, bright, woody, powdery type of scent. This is a very good scent if you're going on a date. Okay? Before, hindi ko pa natatry yung La Nuit de l'Homme. Laging sinasabi ng mga fragrance reviewers sa YouTube na, especially ni Jeremy, na it's the kind of scent na gugustuhin amuyin ulit ng babae and you. The first time I tried it, okay, it's okay. As I keep on using it, I started to love this fragrance and I get compliments from women. In fact, my girlfriend told me that parang gusto mong amuyin ng amuyin ulit. So, I guess lahat ng sinasabi na sa YouTube is true. I'm happy with my decant purchase of this one. I'm planning to buy the full bottle. Madali talaga siyang magustuhan. It's a compliment getter. It's a subtle, masculine, powdery, sensual type of scent. Okay, so madali siyang magustuhan talaga. So, as per Zyrus, he is using La Nuit de l'Homme from Yves Saint Laurent. And that's it, guys. These are the 10 artistas, 10 celebrities sa Philippines and the perfumes that they use. If you think you want to try yung mga ginagamit nila, go ahead and try it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel kung hindi ka pa subscribe sa channel ko. And guys, abangan nyo yung part 2 of this list because I still have another 10 list ng mga artista, also the perfumes that they use. So abangan nyo po yan. I hope you like it and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!